Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize video on CapCut PC. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important step. So first of all, you need to open your CapCut application and then create any project you want. After that, you need to import a video and then click on this video in timeline. After that, in the middle of the screen, in the player section, you can see your video, and then you need to click on any dot in the corners. For example, on the left, on the bottom left corner. And then you can move it and resize this video. After that, you can press and hold on this video and then move it like this, for example. So this is the first way how to resize video, but there is another way how to do that. You need to click on this video again in the timeline, and then at the top right corner in this menu you need to click on the video option, and then here you need to click on the transform. This option can be non-shown as it now. You need to click on this little button, and then you can see scale option. You need to press and hold on this little dot and move it left or right, like this. You can also rotate this video, like this, and change position. And that's how to resize video on CapCut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.